CapCut has made some essential features, like enhanced voice audio and background removal, available only in the Pro version, which mean you have to pay for it. These features are crucial for creating aesthetically pleasing videos and enhancing audio quality, especially in noisy environments. However, there's a way to use these Pro features and still download your videos for free. Here is the demo video with smooth looking and enhanced audio. This is the video after I've edited using CapCut Pro features. So, stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I do it. First, import the picture of the background you want to use for your video. Expand the background image to match the length of your video. Then, click on Overlay, then Add Overlay and bring in the video you want to edit. Don't make any adjustments yet. Next, set the aspect ratio of your video. Scroll and click on the aspect ratio icon. There are many options for you to choose to depend on which social media platform that you go to publish. In this case, I select 16:9 for YouTube. This will resize the background image to fit the video frame. Now, click on the background, not the video, and expand it so it covers the entire screen. If necessary, minimize your overlay to see what you're doing. Ensure that both the overlay and background image are the same length. With your video selected, use the Pro feature to remove the background by clicking on the Remove Background button. CapCut will automatically remove the background. You'll see the Pro label appear, indicating that this is a Pro feature. But don't worry, after the background is removed, expand the overlay video to fit the screen. To create a more polished look, blur the background. Select the background, then go to Effect, then Video Effects and search for Blur. Apply the blur effect to the background. This effect should only apply to the background, leaving the subject of your video clear. Adjust the blur to make the background slightly visible, so it's clear that you're in a room without revealing too much. Now come to the trick of the process. To download the video with these Pro features for free, use a screen recording tool. This tool is available on both iOS and Android, and it's free. Now you play the video in CapCut and screen record the entire video from beginning to end. Once the recording is done, cancel the current CapCut project and start a new one. Import the screen recording into the new project. In the new project, resize the video by going to Transform button and then tap on Resize and setting it to 16:9. Adjust the video size to fit the screen. And apply any final touches, like sharpening the image. Go to Filter and Adjust. Then use the Sharpen tool to enhance the clarity of your video. You now can adjust the level of the sharpen to your video. This will make the subject stand out against the blurred background. Now you can see no Pro watermark on the top of the screen, which means you can freely save your video with background change by CapCut Background Remove Pro feature. Next trick, enhance audio. To enhance your audio using CapCut's Pro feature, first, go to the Enhanced Voice option and turn it on. This will clear up background noise and improve the overall audio quality. Once the enhanced voice is activated, screen record the video with the maximum phone audio. After recording, turn off the enhanced voice feature and mute the original video's audio. Next, go to Audio, select Add Audio, and then choose Extract. Extract the audio from the screen-recorded video and align it with the visuals in your project. This will give you enhanced audio quality without the Pro watermark. Just go ahead and export the video. So far, if you see my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out. Now, you can effectively use CapCut's Pro features for free to create high-quality videos with clear audio and professional-looking backgrounds. Thank you, and see you in the next video.